Hey, I'm Josh. These are the tips, tricks and techniques you need to paint a room. So let's get into it. To begin, you'll need to select the right paint for your wall, as different paints are suited for different applications. As a general guideline, opt for water-based paints when painting walls and ceilings, and choose an oil or water-based enamel for trims, architraves and doors. These paints are resilient and easy to clean, making them perfect for high traffic areas. For ceilings, it's recommended to use specialised ceiling paint. This formula is thicker to prevent dripping and typically has a flat finish that doesn't reflect light. This minimises the visibility of any imperfections. Once you've chosen your colour, you'll need to measure your wall to calculate how much paint you'll need. To do this, measure the length and the width, then check the paint coverage rate. Divide the total square metres by the coverage rate to determine the number of litres needed. Round up to the nearest whole number, as it's better to have a bit more than to run out. Use painter's tape to protect any gaps around the floor edges, windowsills or outlets. Generally, you'll want to apply an undercoat when working on new walls or repairing scuffs and marks, or if you're painting colour or timber. In these instances, use a 3-in-1 primer, sealer and undercoat on the walls. Once your undercoat is dry, it's time to get into painting your wall. Give your paint tin a quick shake before opening with the paint opener and use your paint stirrer to ensure the pigment is mixed through. Then pour your paint into your paint tray. Select an area you will need to cut in and apply paint to the brush. Dip the brush in about halfway along your bristles, then use the side of the paint pot to wipe any excess paint. Too much paint on your brush can lead to drips or uneven coverage. Use an angled brush to paint around power points, switches, doors, window frames, around the edges of the wall and cornices. Then, using a roller, place your roller in your paint tray, moving the roller back and forth on the grate until the paint is spread evenly on the paint roller. Start from the top of the wall and work your way downwards. Reload your roller as needed, but avoid overloading with paint. Let the first coat dry completely before applying the second coat. Remove the painter's tape straight away at a 45-degree angle. If you wait until it's dry, this can cause the paint to lift. And there you have it. A coat of paint can freshen up any room of the house. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.